If you want to enhance an image in Pixellab, this is a method you can use. Input your image into Pixellab. So import the image. I took. After placing your image in Pixellab, you rescale to what you want. Maybe I want it to be in square. Let me just leave it like this. So now, here is the image. Now, you locate this option in Pixellab, color filters. Click on color filters. Now, don't touch the hue except you want to change the color. If you touch the hue, it will change the color of your image. But we are adjusting the brightness, the contrast, and the saturation. So the next step is to adjust your saturation. You don't need much of the saturation. It's just to let the color be more vibrant. So 6 is okay for this one. The brightness, if your image is too sharp, you reduce the brightness. If it is too light, you increase the brightness. So let me reduce the brightness of this one a bit, because contrast will still add more light effect to it. So once I adjust the light, the contrast, I can then reduce the brightness a bit as well again. So your face will be vibrant and more clearer after doing all this to your image. Scale your image to your screen, or you go back to your size and make sure it is at 100. Once it is at 100, align it to the center, and then you save in the highest. It is very important, you save in the highest possible dimension by clicking here, save as image, and then the font size, you change it to ultra. Once you change it to ultra, then you can click on save to your gallery. So that is the way to enhance an image in Pixellab.